Alleles are variant forms of a gene located at a specific position, or locus, on a chromosome. Each individual inherits one allele from each parent, resulting in a combination that determines their genetic traits. Key concepts: locus, the specific location of a gene on a chromosome; allele, a variant form of a gene; homozygous, when an individual has two identical alleles for a particular gene, for example AA or AA; heterozygous, when an individual has two different alleles for a particular gene, for example AA; dominant allele, an allele that masks the expression of another allele; recessive allele, an allele whose expression is masked by a dominant allele. Genotype, the genetic makeup of an individual for a particular trait represented by the combination of alleles, for example AA, AA, or AA. Phenotype, the observable physical expression of a trait resulting from the interaction between genotype and environmental factors. Mendelian inheritance. Mendelian inheritance is the basic pattern of inheritance described by Gregor Mendel, a 19th-century Austrian monk. It involves the transmission of traits from one generation to the next through the inheritance of alleles. Mendel's laws of inheritance include law of segregation. Each allele for a trait separates from its homologous pair during gamete formation. Law of independent assortment. Alleles for different traits are inherited independently of each other. Examples of alleles at a single locus include a few interesting cases. For instance, the ABO blood type system is determined by three alleles A, B, and O. Another example is cystic fibrosis, which is a genetic disorder caused by a recessive allele. And then there's Huntington's disease, a genetic disorder caused by a dominant allele. While Mendelian inheritance provides a foundation for understanding genetic inheritance, it's important to note that many traits are influenced by multiple genes and environmental factors. This is known as polygenic inheritance.